Have you ever had someone look at you and not believe your age while others your age already look tired, worn down, older than they should? Take a second and think about that. Why does that happen? Why do some people seem to age faster while others stay calm, sharp, almost timeless? It's not genetics and it's not luck. It's something much deeper. Because the truth is, you could be making yourself look older every single day without even realizing it. But a few people follow simple habits that keep them young without trying. And if you stay until the end, the last one might completely change how you see yourself. Most people don't realize this. Aging isn't just physical. It's mental, emotional, and behavioral. And what you do every day shows on your face, your posture, your energy. Habit 1. Control your mind. Most people look older because they carry too much stress, too much overthinking, too much negativity, and over time it shows. But the Stoics understood something powerful. You don't control what happens to you, but you always control how you respond. And when you learn to control your mind, everything changes. You become calmer, more stable, more in control. And that calmness, that inner peace, makes you look younger almost instantly. Because nothing ages you faster than a restless mind. Habit 2. Stop chasing. Look around and you'll see it everywhere. People chasing attention, validation, approval, and it drains them. They become reactive, impatient, exhausted. But those who age well learn to let go. They don't chase everything. They focus on what truly matters. They move with intention, not desperation. And that creates a completely different energy, one that feels calm, controlled, and confident. Habit 3. Accept what you can't control. Most people fight reality. They replay the past, worry about the future, and resist what is happening right now. And that constant tension slowly wears them down. But the Stoics taught something simple. Accept what you cannot change, not because you're weak, but because it gives you power. Because the moment you accept reality, you stop wasting energy. Your body relaxes, your face softens, your presence becomes lighter. And that lightness makes you look younger. Habit 4. Focus on what matters. Most people are distracted all the time. They give their attention to everything, and because of that, they feel overwhelmed. But those who age well are selective. They choose where their energy goes. They ignore the noise and focus on what truly matters. And that clarity shows. They don't look stressed. They look present, focused, and in control. If you're still watching this, you're already ahead of most people. Because most people never think about this. But you are. And that awareness alone changes things. Stay with me because the next habits go deeper. And the last one might be the reason some people seem to never age. Habit 5. Discipline over comfort. Comfort feels good, but it slowly weakens you. Discipline is what keeps you sharp. People who look younger stay active. They move their body. They challenge themselves. Not because they have to, but because they choose to. And that choice builds strength. And strength always looks younger than weakness. Habit 6. Don't take things personally. Most people carry emotional weight they don't need. They take things personally even when it has nothing to do with them. And that drains their energy. But when you understand that people act based on their own struggles, everything changes. You stop reacting to everything. You become calmer, lighter, more in control. And that shows on the outside. Habit 7. Live with purpose. This is the one most people ignore, but it's the most powerful. People who look young have direction. They have something they're moving toward, a reason to wake up, Without that, people drift, and drifting slowly drains your energy. But purpose gives you life. It sharpens your mind, it fuels your actions, and that energy keeps you young. So ask yourself, are you aging or are you evolving? Because the difference isn't time, it's your habits. What you do every single day. If this made you think, comment younger.